Alright, Distinction family, welcome and welcome back to Distinction in Mathematics. Today we are simplifying this to a single trigonometric ratio. When we are simplifying, we are breaking everything down to its simplest form and making sure it is more readable and less complicated. Now the first thing to do is removing all the brackets. Make sure all the brackets are gone. Let's start with our numerator. Sine multiplied by a negative angle gives us negative sine. This is part of trigonometric rules. It is very important to understand all the necessary trigonometric ratios, rules, and identities because this is what you apply when you are simplifying in trigonometry. 90 degrees plus theta lies in the second quadrant where cos is negative. So that is negative cos theta. But remember, whenever we have a 90 degrees plus or minus theta, sine theta changes into cos theta and cos theta changes into sine theta. So we're not going to have a negative cos theta, but we're going to have a negative sine theta. On our denominator, we have cos and theta minus 360 degrees. So we're going to arrange whatever is on the bracket so that it starts with this angle. When we do that, we don't want to start with a negative, so we're going to take it outside of the brackets. And that is also going to change a sign on theta as well to a negative theta. These two multiply together, the signs multiply together to give us a positive, and sine theta to give us sine squared theta. Cos multiplied by a negative angle gives us positive cos, and we're going to do this step by step so that we show all the understanding. 1 minus sine squared theta can also be written as cos squared theta, so we're going to change it to cos squared theta. And cos is positive in the fourth quadrant at 360 degrees minus theta, so we're going to have a positive cos theta. 1 cos in our numerator is divided by cos in the denominator, which leaves us with cos theta, which is our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like to see more people join the team, so please share this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button and join the team. Also, I'd like to know where you find a challenge in simplifying or trigonometry as a whole, so please leave a comment and watch more videos on this channel. We'll see you on the next video.